Okay, what we gotta do? You gotta drop your hip down. Okay, but why are you bending? Be straight. Come down. Yes, very good. Now I want you to roll that stomach once. No, not the stomach, not the bum, just the stomach. Yes, just roll it in. Very good. Now, after you roll it in, I want you to wave your stomach up. Okay, not bad. What do you guys think? No?
First of all, a very good evening to everyone and a warm welcome to the Honorable Deputy CM, Diya Kumari ji, and all dignitaries and friends who've come from Rajasthan, and of course, all the colleagues here, Nora, Karthik, you, Kanan, and all our media friends and partners and sponsors of IFA. It's always great to come down here. I've been doing this now I didn't realize it till actually about 10-15 days back, कि 25 साल से मैं आंद्रे और विराफ और सब्बास के लिए काम कर रहा हूँ. तुम सिर्फ 23 साल से कर रहे हो. और तुम्हें उन 23 साल में जो 2 साल में तुम नहीं थे, एंजेलिना जोली ही याद रही. तुम 2 सालों के बाद आए थे करना, तुम्हें पता है ना. But it's been a great journey. It was too much fun, like Andre said, and Viraf and Sabas. Of course, I have some very fond memories. They've always been very hardworking. I've known them, and in no which way demeaning or deriding the status. At that point in time, I just want to point out the hard work they've been doing. I remember them arranging chairs and different award functions for all of us, being kind to us, showing us warmth, and from the beginning of the show till the end of the entertainment ended, they were always looking after us. So they were bound for doing some wonderful things, and I think the creation of IFA by the three of them and their whole team over the years is a marvelous achievement, taking Indian cinema global. And I've had too much fun, starting from the Dome, then in Toronto. We have some very wonderful memories, some very wild ones which we can't talk about, but they've been good times, and they've only been good times with IFA, and inshallah I pray for them that they continue to take Indian cinema global, put it on a platform which makes us relevant all around the world. It's always been fantastic performing for them, the production qualities, the way they look after everyone, and extremely hospitable and warm people. So when we leave our town, when we leave our country and we go outside, it's really, you know, initially we used to be like, अरे यार न्यू यॉर्क जा रहे हैं, कौन ध्यान रखेगा, कैसा होगा. But they were always there early in the morning to pick us up from the airport, drop us after the show. So it's been a great journey, and as a matter of fact, I've always wondered, said to them कि यार आप हमारे देश में करो. अभी प्रिंसेस दिया कुमारी जी भी यही फरमा रही थी कि हमारा आइफा जो है यहाँ हमारे देश में होना चाहिए. So it's wonderful, no better place than Rajasthan and Jaipur to be hosting this. Just to remind you, because I've been told by them, याद दिला देना लोग भूल ना जाए, 8 और 9 तारीख 9 मार्च 2025 को जयपुर में हमारा शो होगा. तो आप सबको आमंत्रण है, प्लीज़ आइएगा और वहाँ पे हमारे साथ एंजॉय कीजिएगा और इंडियन फिल्म इंडस्ट्री को सेलिब्रेट कीजिएगा. एंड yeah, it's been really wonderful. I'm in the middle of going to shoot a film, but when they said it's 25 years, I need to be there. So I've rushed here, and I'm hoping and looking forward to being in Rajasthan, in Jaipur, on the 9th of March, and enjoying as we've enjoyed the last 25 years.
एक स्लोगन होती है जो दिल से निकलती है शाहरुख, जहां पे भी जाते हैं. The way the stadium screams, "We love you, Shahrukh!" How many of you say that all the time? Put your hands up, everybody. There you go. Karthik, आप जो भी छूते हैं is becoming a blockbuster, and we are so proud of your journey. और तहे दिल से लगता है कि अपना ही बंदा जीत रहा है और अच्छा काम कर रहा है. पिछले साल शाहरुख ने होस्ट किया और इस साल आप होस्ट करने वाले हैं. Does that make you nervous? What do you feel inside?
आप सवाल ऐसे पूछते हो, ऑलरेडी डर लगने लगता है जवाब देने का. I think first of all, again, good evening everyone. I think it's been a lovely evening amongst all of you, and sharing the stage with Shahrukh sir. Thank you sir for being here. Honorable Diya Kumari ji, Nora, Andre, Sabas, Viraf, you've been wonderful एज ऑलवेज होस्ट करने वाला हूँ. आई होप कि मैं सेकंड बेस्ट होस्टिंग कर पाऊँ बिकॉज इनको कोई बीट नहीं कर सकता. एंड शाहरुख सर जब भी होस्टिंग किए हैं या परफॉर्म किए हैं, I think he's been at it. He's been wonderful. It's always been like a stadium effect when he comes on stage. So I'm just happy to be a part of this entire association and finally coming home to Jaipur, to Rajasthan. I think it feels wonderful to be doing it in India and celebrating the wonderful films, the performances of the year, and I'm really looking forward to this.
I want to just say that Karthik is going to host this 25th year, the most wonderful and fantastic, just so that I can pass off the mantle to him. तो इसको मैं सिखा देता हूँ कि जयपुर में शुरुआत कैसे करनी है. तो पहले हमको बोलना पड़ेगा, पधारो मारे देश राजस्थान.
पधारो मारे देश राजस्थान.
And खम्मा घनी.
खम्मा घनी.
क्या बात है, थैंक यू.
Of course, first of all, good evening to everybody. Thank you for coming today. Good evening. I'm very excited to be a part of the 25th anniversary of. This will be my 4th time performing back to back since 2022, so it's a big deal for me. And this time we're doing it in Jaipur, which is huge. It's nice to see that we're bringing IFA back to India, and this is going to be epic. As for my performance,
यार एक स्नेक वाला जो आपका डांस स्टेप है वो कर दो यार, बहुत ट्रेंड कर रहा है. Who wants to see Nora do a snake step? Put your hands up. या हो जाएगा ऐसे ही. इमेजिन म्यूजिक हेड में आपके. यू वांट मी टू सिंग इट? मैं बहुत बुरा हूं यार, प्लीज. ओके, सो सेंटर में प्लीज नोरा, सेंटर में. ऑलराइट, लाइट्स, कैमरा, एक्शन. Alright, but thank you so much. You are one person who has infectious energy. You want me to try it?
no, I think you should try. Everyone's seen me doing a million times. Okay, what we gotta do? You gotta drop your head down. Okay, but why are you bending? Be straight. Come down. Yes, very good. Now I want you to roll that stomach once.
How?
No, not the stomach, not the bum, just the stomach. Yes, just roll it in. Very good. Now, after you roll it in, I want you to wave your stomach up. Okay, not bad. What do you guys think? No? It's not good?
Nora, the way you do it, come on, yaar.
You're a sport. Everyone, clap for him. He tried. I love it. Thank you.
इसलिए मेरी वाइफ बोलती है तू डांस मत कर, तू बोला कर बस. थैंक यू नोरा. We're looking forward to Jaipur. Give it up for Nora, ladies and gentlemen. Wow, तालियों की गूंज for her.
Subscribe to Midday India. Get direct notifications on all our videos by clicking on the bell icon.